This video is sponsored by Wondershare Doctor Phone, your complete mobile solution. All the tool you need to keep your mobile at 100%. Check description for more info. So this is the Insta story I will download with music. It's very simple and without use of any app. Just remember the account username whose story you want to download with music. Then go to this website. You will get the link in description. Here type the username and tap on download. Then check the box I am not a robot. Then you will get this option save as video. Tap on that. Tap on this three dot, then tap on download. Now it's done. Like and subscribe for more such videos and I will catch you in the next one.